Hey guys, what's up? This is Tristan, and I have an unboxing from Ytrucks. So yeah, would have done this unboxing earlier, but I was at Austin's house, and he's at my house again. So yeah, there's the stuff. So take out the main thing, lay that right there, and one sticker. That's all. Okay. Ytrucks, and okay, let's open them. So this is my second pair of Ytrucks. So yeah. So first we got some Ytrucks stickers, and they all fell. And then the 2 tools and 10 screws, which I think is kind of stupid because, not the 10 screws, but I think it's kind of stupid that they made new tools and they don't even ship them with the Ytrucks. But yeah, let's look at these. So I thought I was getting white bushings, but who cares? I actually would rather prefer black, so I'm actually pretty happy. So these are really nice. So yeah guys, that's all, and peace.